scholars, looks like you need a little more help with median. So median is the middle of a sorted list of numbers. So in order to do that, we first have to put the numbers in order. So we do smallest to biggest, and then we find the middle one. And we do this by crossing out the ones on both ends until we get to one in the middle. So if I have the numbers, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the number in the middle is the 6. So what I can do is I can actually cross out the numbers, which is green. Right, so I start on this end, I cross out 2, I go to this end, I cross out 10, this side cross out 4, this side cross out 8. The median would be 6. It's just the one in the middle. There is something a little tricky though. Sometimes we'll get numbers where we have 2 in the middle. So if I have 2 numbers in the middle, so let's kind of do, let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So now I have an even number of points here, right? I have 6 numbers. So when I go through and I start crossing them off, so I cross out one on this end, one here, second one here, second one here. Now I have 6 and 8 right here in the middle. So we'd have to find the exact middle between 6 and 8. We know there's only one number between 6 and 8, and it's 7. The way we can do that with any single set, because you might get things like 58 and 84, and you don't want to kind of have to count between there to figure out what the middle is. You would actually add the numbers up and then divide by 2. So in this case, if you added 6 and 8 together, you get 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7, so it does work. So now let's look here. So find the median of the data set: 96, 120, 102, 95, 124, 101, 125. So what you need to do is you need to first put these in order. So find the smallest number. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to look. 96 looks the smallest. Now we have 95 is smaller than that. So our first number is going to be 95. To keep it organized, I like to cross them out as I go to know that I did that one. After 95, the next smallest is 96. Then looks like 102, but if I keep looking, I do have 101. Now I can do 102. Now 120, 124, and 125. Something important to know is if I had any of these numbers listed twice, I would write them down twice. Like if I had 2 124s, I would write 124, 124. So let's go through and let's see if we can find the median. So let's cross out with orange. Cross out one at the beginning, cross out one at the end, another one on the left, another one on the right, on the left, on the right. And we're lucky that we have 3 equally on both sides. We had an odd number of data points. Our median is 102.